miss no help at all. Our powers are low in your dimension. Our policy. The last 21 years.
Hey, but better late than never, right? At least you showed up when you did. Actually, the glimpse of cave wasn't so great. You actually.
That bowl's got to be cleaned out too. That cage has got to be scraped out.
But,
I know.
really? Really? All I remember thinking was Cam and I had to get away.
Yes, but you trusted your powers and you trusted yourself. You truly are the daughters of Aaron. There can be no doubt in confronting the darkness next time.
The next time? No way. Forget it. There isn't gonna be a next time.
I'm afraid there's no turning back now.
Oh, yeah? Question. I know this is party an hour and I don't plan on missing it. This one or the next 60 or 70 days? Cameron, I know you're upset, but you have to remember, you confronted the darkness before and won. You know when I was a baby? I was 1 day old. All I did was scream what my something was going on. I was like, people. I'm going home.
Yeah, don't mistake my finger for food. I am not your food. I'm going to get more of this soon too. I'm getting low. Just put a little bit because he don't really eat a lot of that. Yeah, he's inside the house. He's getting them in there. Oh, you want to just put that top back on? Yes. Well, I don't want no crickets going up the pole and out.
And we put our hands together, we're invincible. No, we're not.